Gorgeous waterfront views. First floor 3-bedroom/2-bath spacious coach home, west detached garage, west paver driveway and walkway. Completely remodeled kitchen, west all the bells and whistles featuring high-quality finishes plus LG stainless steel appliances, glass tile backsplash, white plateau granite countertops, self-closing wood cabinets, west pull-out drawers, extra cabinets. Enjoy spectacular sunsets every night from west-facing, light and bright living room. Lake and fountain views from almost every room. Triple split bedroom plan. Waterfront master suite, west walk-in closet and bathroom, west dual sinks, LG walk-in shower and separate tub. West-facing lanai is glassed in and screened. Montego Bay has its own private community pool, cable and alarm monitoring included. All ages. Pet-friendly. Mangated NO Club membership required.